sun has got his hat on. Hip 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 hooray, the sun has got his hat on and he's coming out to play.
What are you doing?
Well, I was about to talk to the wonderful people out there.
You've been eating sweets again.
I haven't even bloody got to my desk yet and she's having a pop.
You were over by the sweets.
I'll see you on the other side of the intro. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers. And I am the overgrown child, that is the scruffy trader, who's just been busted for having a little bit of a nibble.
Are you trying to get a rise out of me? Are you happy now? Is this what you want?
What's the point of being a co-owner of a sweet shop if you can't use this merchandise for your own use? Ridiculous. So let me go to my desk and I'll do my proper job, because it looks like I've been chased out this shop.
Are you serious?
Right. Come down to my desk in my office and things is looking okay. I set a trade away on cable and I've kind of been watching the indices. The FTSE's fell off the floor and so has the DAX. And when that happens, presents a good opportunity. Talking of good opportunities.
Talk to me, little coffee.
Didn't even say it. Did I say it? Did I say it?
Well,
I was talking opportunities of the screen.
She wants me. Poor bitch.
Don't stick your fingers up at me. That was terrible. You know, for somebody who's very ladylike. Anyway, let me just fire this over and we'll have a look at what it is that I'm up to. As you know, I like to go zone to zone. I've got a trade here fired up. It's just come into play. And it is cable, and the idea is for it to run down into these zones here. I think maybe it's down here is a bit ambitious for today. So I'm going to put one target just shade under there. Just let it run down a touch. And then see if the other one can come down into this green zone. Anywhere around this area, I am quite happy. But this one, I'm just going to let it get on with it. Okay? Because I think it's going to take the best part of the day to play out. And I'll show you. Just if I come back here, you can see that we've had a royal drop down. Bounty, bounty, bounty. It's dropped onto this level. It's worked its way up. But that candle there, this one, is what interested me. Because that tells me there's a lot of sellers there. Big tail at the top, body to the bottom, bouncing on a level. Gave me kind of the go time to get into it. Yeah, it's pushing out. So what I might have to do is a little bit of madness up into this level here. So if I just extend that across. If it breaks this level, I've got a bit of a problem. So I'll just kind of keep half an eye on this one. But the one that is kind of interesting me more so is this one. And why is that? Now, I shied away from the DAX the other day because it was up here. And when it's up there, it's in unknown territory. It's just... Well, it's just unknown and I don't like that. Whereas I know that level's being tested and I know this level's being tested. And they are reasonably good, strong levels. Now, if I push this out to a 4 hour, you can kind of see it's still pushing up of sorts, And certainly on the daily, well, obviously that was a lovely run up, but the pressure's still kind of to the upside, as it is with most indices at the moment. But nothing can go in a single direction forever. There has to be some kind of pressure release. Well, that's kind of here, and that's what this is. All right. Now, this might push down, come back up about halfway, and then carry on down to there, because that's kind of how the markets work. They're in waves all the time. It'll move, it'll come back. It'll move, it'll come back. And that's kind of where daddy levels, etc., are quite important. And that is the base of this candle here, which is roughly about the middle. Okay, so if I go back to the hourly, and we can start to see what's going on. Well, that's a solid drop. This was the point of attraction. And it's coming on to 10 to 1. So if we drop that down, you can see it's still there. But there's the tails showing the buyers. So this candle here, I'm kind of assuming is a flush out. All right, where it's just finishing off the last of the sellers, and it's come into this zone. So now I'm interested in it. I think there's an opportunity here, and even if I can just get it from there to there, I'll make some good money. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So if you bear with me, you'll drop a couple of orders in. Now I'm going to always let the price come to me. So we're going to go 15 pips. And we're going to go 20 pips. And oh, 25. Right. That's in. Happy days. Right. This one here, I'm just going to put it to the base of there. So we'll get some money out of that one. We'll get some money out of that one. And that'll finish it off just nicely. And then we'll couple that with what's going on this side. So if I just drop this into 2 tiles. Oh, did you see that? What, do you not want to stir it? Did you not? Give us a pen, I'll do it.
Oh, you don't you be doing anything? I'm breaking nail.
You are physically repulsive, intellectually retarded, vulgar, insensitive, selfish, stupid. You have no taste, a lousy sense of humor, and you smell.
Yeah, it's like I'm delicate. Right. There we go. So we're going to watch both the markets. I don't particularly like doing this. However, I set cable away a little bit earlier and I thought it would have been finished by now. But both of them are there. That's the play for today. And hopefully we'll get our wages out of it. And if I get my wages, she won't shout at me. She might be nice to me.
I'm always nice to you.
Are you?
I've just made you a copy.
Are you going to be nice to me in another way?
Okay. Well, the mind's an amazing organ.
I've got an amazing organ.
It's capable of far more than you'd imagine.
Right again.
What, you want your dinner as well?
No. I mean, it's not like I'm...
the gold bikini, does it?
I never said a word, did I? Did you ever hear those words utter from my mouth? Will you put the gold bikini on?
You always I haven't got one. Sorry.
Hello.
Go on.
I haven't got one.
Go on, I'll let you feel the force.
Oh, that's disgusting.
I'm sure you will.
Sorry. Right. On that note, we shall just let it play out. And I'll catch you on the other side because I'm going to have a bit of fun with it being lunchtime. Right, boys and girls, we've been having a jolly old time today, and everything has just come into play. Ta-da!
Very good.
Are you happy now? Does that mean you're not going to beat me up? Are you going to be my friend?
I'm always your friend.
That's all right. Now make me a coffee. You're going to be my best friend.
I'm
It's all
trying
right.
to work.
You're trying to work. Yeah, of course you are. There you go. Job's done. Very, very easy trade because they were zone to zone, and it's exactly bounce from there to there and bounce from there to there. And as you can see, it's starting to reject in the zone. Simple stuff, guys. It's something that I do every day, and I keep it the same all the time. And the one thing that I'll stress for when you are trading is find something you can repeat and then master it. You know, if you can master one setup and be able to recognize it across multiple markets, you'll find that you're okay. And that's all I do, and it's what you see me do every day. And I know sometimes you go, well, it's the same over and over. Why can't you do this? Why can't you do that? Why would I possibly change what works? And that's the bit I can never get my head around. Oh, I want to do this. I want to do that. No. Stop chasing your tail. Find one system that works. Master it. Then add another one. Don't jump from one to the next. Because if you're doing that, you're going to lose money every single time. So my advice, keep your position small as you're starting, stick to one system, and be patient. Simple as that. So that's the end of my weekly trades. Tomorrow is an on-farm payroll. Not rightly sure whether I want to trade it and risk what I've made this week. Oh, thank you, my beautiful wife. But you never know. I'll have a look at it. I'll see what the conditions are, because curiosity often gets the better of me. But you got any comments, got any questions, by all means drop them below. I do like Q&As, and if I'm going to build up a Q&A, just drop your questions below and I'll answer them for you. And if you don't want to use the comment section, all my contact details are in the description. By all means, check it out. There's some good, useful links there as well. So as always, guys, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.